ururka American Refugee Committee ayaa wada barnaamij ay ku taageerayaan orodyahanada Maxamed iyo Zamzam oo Soomaaliya u matalaya ciyaaraha Olombikada ee ka socda London. waxaa barnaamijkan ka qayb qaadanaya fanaanka Soomaaliyeed ee caanka ah Keenan. wuxuu taageerayaashiisa jooga adduunka dacaladiisa ka codsaday in ay taageeraan orodyahanada Soomaaliyeed. 50,000 oo qof oo kala jooga 80 wadan ayaa la filayaa in ay soo galaan Facebook page loo sameeyay orodyahanada Soomaaliyeed.
Hi everyone, this is an exciting time of the year for I'm a Star and ARC, American Refugee Committee. We are working in partnership with the Olympic Somali team. We're also working on a new campaign on Facebook, and there's a lot of ways that you as an individual person can get involved. You can go on Facebook, like, share, and post as much as you can. Each like, each share, each post will be $1. And so eventually you want to get to at least 50,000, and that 50,000 will be $50,000. And so we want as many of you to get involved to help our country. And then also, we are also doing a special thing here at the office where people can come and make paper chains, and our goal is to make the largest paper chain for Somalia, and that will each paper chain, each link symbolizes us coming together as a community in unity. And so it's a pretty special way to show our support, and the $50,000 will go towards helping out the programs that ARC has in Somalia, sanitation, health, and different camps that we're also working in, as well as Benadir Hospital. And so each time that you do something on Facebook, it is going towards something amazing. So please support your team, your Olympic team. Please support I'm a Star campaign, and make sure that you're doing everything you can.
qof walba oo wax soo geliya page-kan ama dad kale la share gareeya waxyaabaha ku jira page-ka ama riixa button-ka I like waxay u dhigantaa $1. marka ay gaarto 50,000 shirkado ayaa ballan qaaday in ay bixin doonaan $50,000 oo dollar. lacagtaas waxaa wax looga qaban doonaa dadka ku dhibaataysan Soomaaliya. fadlan ka qayb qaado.
I think the coolest part of this entire campaign would be working with the Olympic team. Mohammed and Zamzam, they're already champions in our eyes, and I think that what they symbolize is a matter of hope. And I honestly believe that it's not about victory, it's about the fact that they're bringing a lot of hope to our community, a lot of hope to our people back home. And I think that it's a very historic time for us in Somalia, and what they're doing is beyond amazing. And I think that we could all say that we're all going to be glued to the TV watching Mohammed and Zamzam. And I think that they're also, I've been getting emails, and they're so excited. They're very happy, and they get very emotional knowing that Minneapolis is 100% behind them, and that the people here, the community here, are taking pictures and making posts and sharing, and showing that they're cheering for them. And it really is, if you cheer, it really means like they're actually winning deep down. And so it's probably the coolest part of the whole campaign is working with Mohammed and Zamzam, and they really appreciate you guys. They appreciate all of us and what we're doing. So let's continue to do that for them and hope that they win, inshallah.
waxaa lagu hanweyn yahay in la dhiso warqadaha la isku dhajiyay kii ugu dheeraa dunida. warqad walba waxay u taagan tahay qof taageeray orodyahanada Soomaaliyeed. warqadaha waxaa lagu dhisayaa gobolka Minnesota oo ah gobolka ay degan yihiin Soomaalida ugu badan Mareykanka.